It's a good question. First, let's take a look at the statements to find out if we even have enough to determine what line M would be. Statement 1 gives us a single point on line M. 1 point does not a line make. An infinite number of lines pass through 1319, so statement 1 on its own will be insufficient. It's not going to be A, and it's not going to be D. Statement 2 likewise gives us a single point, and 1 point has a million lines through it. More than a million, million. Insufficient. So statement 2 isn't it either. In conjunction, we do have an actual line. So there's going to be a point 1, 1 and a point 1319. So it's going to look like this, and let's just say that's M. The question is the point 5, 7 on M? And so the answer will be basically, so whatever the slope of this line is, so remember that slope of a line equals the change in y over the change in x, or if you prefer to think of it as rise over run, that's how I learned it in algebra back in the day. If the slope of line M is equal to one of these 2 points, say 1, 1 and 5, 7, if the slopes are equal and they both share the same initial starting point, so 5, 7 is here, then 0.57 is on line M. We don't actually have to do the math to see whether they have the same slope. We just have to know that because we have 2 different pairs of points where we would compare the slope. We have the slope from 1, 1 to 5, 7, and the slope from 1, 1 to 13, 19. If they're the same, the answer is yes. If they're different, the answer is no. Both statements together then are sufficient. Answer choice C.